What's up? This is a tour of my favorite junior suite in Vegas, the Resort Vista Room at the Planet Hollywood. So I asked, and they gave me the highest floor available. Check this out. Yep. This is already relatively a pretty new hotel, but the Planet Hollywood is still constantly renovating their rooms. So the room has a modern, fun, happy vibe. And here you got a crazy guy. As you can tell, this room was located right above the party pool, which in the daytime blasts really loud club music, which makes this room a pretty interesting place to call the court and explain to them why you need to postpone jury duty because you're out of town working. This room has some pretty thoughtful features. It has more sockets than any hotel I've been in, and even has USB ports you can use to charge your devices. What you don't know is that when you plug your phone into those, they download your nudes and look at them. My favorite feature about this room is it's an amazing place to have yourself a nice little drink. Cheers! Probably my last Vegas related video for a while. I did a longer video where I showed the best rooms and suites in Vegas for any budget. Click the link in the description box to see that. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button. I post tons of fun, interesting videos. Next video I post will show you how to make the best Bloody Mary in the world. Like literally. So subscribe. Where did this come from?